It's Christmas! Welcome to JiffyWiz, where we make magic. My name is Andy Sharp, and if you're new to this channel, think about subscribing. Hit that little bell if you want reminders. We do new videos on Mondays. Every Monday is magical with JiffyWiz. First of all, I want to just take a moment to have everybody look at my Harry Potter sweater. Oh, look at them. They kind of look like they have jaundice a little bit, but it says Happy Christmas. And I also wanted to point out that I have 8 subscribers now. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate it. I thought I would only get 5 by Christmas, but I'm gonna shoot for 10. What? Also, I had a very good vacation recently, and I got some cool stuff, including some more Lego minifigures and these deck of Harry Potter playing cards. You should probably open them up. Saw Fantastic Beasts. I'm a fan, so I liked it, but I have some notes. But we can talk about that later. Here they are. Looks like each suit is a house color, and it has different things. Let me just show you. There's a Joker. It's got the seal. Looks like the kings are the house symbol there. Aces are the symbol, is the badger, Ravenclaw, and each of them, 1 through 4, have like different number of animals. Here's the back of the cards. It's the house crest. You guys want to see a magic trick? It's the only magic trick I know. All right, it's no digital editing. Ready? All right, try it again. Ready? Okay. Maybe you guys can help me out on picking the next build. I have 3 options. These are all kind of like builds that are half done already. 1 is the infamous Sorcerer's Stone, as seen on the Sorcerer's Stone and now Fantastic Beasts Crimes of Grindelwald. 2, the White Queen from Sorcerer's Stone, and 3, the trunk from the trunk that Harry Potter takes to school. Those are the 3. 1, 2, 3. So comment in the comments below on which one you want to see me make next. Today we're going to do the first 3 days, since today is the 3rd, of the Pocket Pop Advent Calendar from Funko. It looks like it has 24 minifigures altogether. I got this at Target. Put a link in the link below if it's still available. You'll see it down there. All right, let's get started. All right, open it up here, front of the box. So it looks like it comes with some like decals. Looks like, oh, Whomping Willow in winter. And let me just set these up real quick. Okay, it was the Whomping Willow and Hagrid's hut right there. And you can see on the background, it's the castle. And it looks like it even has some like Christmas light strings on there. So let's go ahead and do number 1, December 1st. I wonder who it's gonna be. It is Harry Potter. I guess I would have guessed that. In fact, I'm gonna be surprised if 1, 2, and 3 aren't Harry, Hermione, and Ron. There he is. He's got a little scarf there. Okay, let's do number 2. All right, number 2. Oh, mistaken. It's not Harry, Hermione. It is a Thesserel. Or for those of you who have not seen Death, nothing. Number 3. Ooh. Number 3 is Luna. All right, that was it. Day 1, 2, and 3, December 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of the 2018 Funko Pocket Pop Harry Potter Advent Calendar. It's a mouthful. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this short video. And make sure you comment down below about what you want me to make next. Otherwise, we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm at JiffyWiz. I also have a Etsy store with Harry Potter inspired art for sale. Check that out in the description below. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe right over there in that green dot. We do new videos every single Monday. I hope to see you guys back here. Mischief managed.